Say hi, Aryan.
Hi, bro.
We are recording. Taran. Sammy, say hi.
Hello. Oh shit! You actually have a selfie stick? Hey, so cool. Yeah. Hey, insane. Let's go. Technology, bro. Technology. Look at the Mechilla neat. In the launch, bro.
Try hard, bro.
Bro, yes.
Vlog the whole thing.
Bro, I feel like a vlogger. It's so cool.
Say hi. We will vlog, bro.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
He's talking to his twins. All of them look the same. Manipal boys. Peanuts, bro. Peanuts, bro. Not peanuts. Oh, they're there only.
Peanut uncle.
Peanut uncle. What's the service? Before eating some insane service he gave, bro. Free peanuts. Free peanuts.
Bro still hasn't realized, bro.
I still don't know, nigga, what happened. I just saw that, give me, I took it, I'm like, okay, done. I don't know what happened, genuinely. I've never seen any transaction, nothing as well. I was just talking on phone, I think, I didn't give another.
Are we going to Chennai? No.
Chennai, bro.
Are we going to Chennai actually?
Chennai is good, bro. It's...
Put the video, bro. Take it off. Delete the video.
That's Taran. That's Taran Ali.
We all thought it was Pappu again.
Why is showing Aryan's face, bro?
I'm joining, bro.
Monster, bro. Yeah.
Oh!
Crazy, bro. Ah, trophy. I shook it too much.
Is it cold?
No.
They'll fix that, yeah.
It was cold when it came.
How do you get it back? Is like that? It came like that.
Six pack, bro.
Trade secrets.
He went to liquor shop, bro. Sri Balaji wine shop, you would have gone, okay?
You know the black and white, no black and white. Babu would have. Our bus. Hey, let's go.
He's eating peanuts, bro. Who gives Sammy?
I'm a peanut man, bro.
This is your place, no?
I wanted some.
Bro is like a golden retriever only.
Hi boys, finally Uti start takta hai de bhai. हो रहा है भाई.
Who won sprint? Who won sprint?
Who came pole after
Who won
Polly?
sprint?
Who came pole after Polly?
What? Who came pole after Polly?
After Polly. Who came pole after Polly? Who came pole after Polly, bro?
Pole after Polly. Pole after Polly.
Who came, bro? Who came? What is goal after Polly, bro?
Let it be noted that I do this under duress.
No flash on it. Never mind.
Right.
We just finished one episode of Breaking Bad. Gonna go to sleep now. It's 1 a.m. Good night, guys.
Good night, good night, good night.
Good night, good night, good night, bro. Good night.
Good night, sweet dreams.
It's about 2 in the morning. What happened? We are at. I hope they can see, bro. I don't know they can see or not.
Somewhere in Idli Sambar land, bro.
What? Tell again.
Somewhere in Idli Sambar land, bro. Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. What did the person below you tell?
Yeah.
Oh, he's like, guys, can you please sleep? This is not the time to do all this.
Yeah, that's
It's
right.
the time.
We reached, boys!
Yes. Ooh, let's go, bro.
Amazing trip.
Oh, the room is gonna be.
I call, see, when Katta is shitting, I call dips on the bed, okay? And when he's out, I call dips on the washroom.
Kalla, bro. You said katta.
Okay,
Okay, bro.
I take everything what you said, bro.
I'm taking everything. Dips on the washroom.
Second.
No, Sammy is third.
Third, bro.
Actually, you break the order, I swear to God, you'll get beaten up.
Search for
You came to Ooty and asked Rameshwaram. Who would have
Church Street scene, bro.
Church Street भाई.
Church Street.
हमारा Church Street
हाँ
नहीं
भाई,
है
चिन्ना स्वामी स्टेडियम किधर है भाई?
भाई,
चिन्ना स्वामी
Hey, Meenakshi Mall. Where's Meenakshi?
There is one more branch bro here.
Ooty branch.
Ooty branch. Okay, so we're at A to B now. The lads are ordering, so we're gonna take it and go back to our place and then check in and then eat there. I have severe stomachache, so
Breakfast picked up bro.
Picked up, bro. Set all set.
we just reached our resort, guys. I'm just gonna flip the camera. We're gonna go see our room now. The lads are still eating, so it's me and Akshar. Yeah. All right, no?
Insane. What do you mean?
Okay, do unveiling. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
That is our bedroom view, bro. Insane. Holy. Bro, okay. Gada cannot be disappointed now, bro.
I forgot to show this.
Bro. Hey, bro, insane.
One more unveiling.
Okay. 3, 2,
Okay.
1. Wow. Insane, bro. Hold on, there's something else here also.
It's probably the washroom, Akshar.
Washroom without the door. Straight up. 2 washrooms.
2. One will be bath, one will be this thing, bro.
Oh.
No, it is 2 washrooms.
Where's the shower then?
That is the washroom. No, that is not the toilet. Washroom and shower.
Oh, okay. Yeah, peace only.
Few moments later.
I already got spoiler.
Spoiler alert.
Wow. Okay. Leave. Ignore. You see. 3, 2, 1. Sammy, go.
Oh, bye, bro.
You want something better? Go there.
Oh, you get the. No way. 3, 2, 1. Bro! Beautiful. It's too good! Sammy, look behind you. Bro! Bro, I'll buy this property actually.
Oh, okay, I underestimated this place. Bro, I thought this was a storage room when I first saw it. Okay. I mean, first make sure they are not naked or something.
Go.
First they'll scare us. Hi bhai.
Crazy! Bro!
Just
Bunk bed!
Bro, the view, bro. No, just open that once. Just go open that. Shit.
Bro!
No extra bed than what you're telling.
What is that? Fit check, boys. Come. Damn. Wait. Yeah. Say hi, Akshar. Oh, let's go. Move. Yeah. Okay, so our itinerary starts now. Day 1, Ooty. Fit check. Yeah, let's get it. Bro said Red Bull.
Oops. Everyone give hair check now. We'll see everyone's hairline now.
Everyone is either receding or doesn't exist.
Aryan show.
Hey, mine. Bro, hair fall has started, bhai.
Like this you have to show.
4-3-3 formation. 4-3-3. Oh, Akshar. Go on.
Put hands up.
Such a big one, right?
Such a big one.
That.
I think that was.
He got free clean.
Bondi, Katta was there. No, so that's why Akshay doesn't like.
No, he told me, bro.
Hey, no, that's not true. I love Katai. Hey, bro, he actually thinks I hate him, bro. Don't do this. Facts. I don't
Facts.
hate him.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong.
Facts.
Hey, I want to be touched. I want to be touched.
Thank you. Touch me again. It's all in there. It's all in there.
It's all in it. Just act on it.
Shiesty thief. Ah, feels so good, bro. Hey, you want to buy one more? Connection. Marketing, bro. I bought mine yesterday only. Blink it. Oh, I have to walk like this, sir. Come. Water is going inside here. All of us bought raincoats for this trip. None of us carried it. Hey,
Shah Rukh Khan and Juhi Chawla running around.
which movie?
Tere Wala Pyar.
Roda karo. Bye, fucking right. Sigma, we walked out. Shivering in the rain. Okay, he's in the next.
Bro, literally. Gold is a mindset, bro. Lock in. Gold is mindset, bro. Lock in.
Forget, delete.
Not talking, bro.
Delete
Bro,
rain.
Taran ruined my pant. There was a puddle, okay? He just jumped on it. I'm getting respect, bro.
I'm getting respect to next time. That's not that enough.
Please stop for Maggie.
Pay for me also. As usual.
Who actually? Look at this Q2. Hi. Can I? Hello. Hello. Are you cold? Okay, bye bye.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
We shave this thing also. So shameless, bro. Every single one of us. Standing like this Maggie, we're getting corn. Okay, we're like, oh, so hot. The corn saved that.
Guys,
I didn't get mine, bro.
Egg Maggie barti the.
Akshay, move.
Taran, I'm sure Juhi Chawla did not run here, bro.
She probably fell but did not run, bro.
Come, let's go.
Best selfie stick, bro.
Akshar, you didn't give your quote of the day.
I did though.
What did you? No, you did not give your quote of the day.
It has to be original, don't you?
Yeah,
Yeah, bro. Where's second time uploading?
that's your quote of the day.
Here, bro.
The naughties. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bro, Taran is built different, bro.
Sami's ass, bro. Zoom in. Sami, turn. I have only 3x zoom, bro.
Bro, look there. If you fall, you're dead.
Ten dining place. Hero.
Hi, bro.
Wake up. It's the first of the month.
Something hot.
Come, what's our next destination?
Chai behind you. At least it's not raining. I hope I didn't jinx it.
If I tell that.
We're going to waterfall, no?
Yes. Shah Rukh Khan waterfall. I don't want.
It's like complicated.
Akshar, it's complicated. Hi, bro.
We have stored fact, bro.
Hell yes, bro.
They don't have, bro.
That guy.
Okay, I'm a coach, bro.
No, Gada, he's shivering.
It's cold, bro. Gotta hit you, bro.
Okay, so they saw the waterfalls.
Bro, I'm not going.
Oh, they're calling. Huh?
Is it?
Come here, we have good timing.
If it's bad, no.
They saw Sammy raging. Now imagine getting so pissed. Strangers tell you to come see. I'm not paying for just seeing one. Liquid fall, bro. Yeah, liquid fall. Yeah, like this only I can see, bro. Waterfall. I'll make waterfall.
लेके जाने वाली अरे नहीं क्या क्यों कौन सा वहाँ पे महल ओपन रहेगा
This is the what we saw from our.
Hey, Noda, I think we're on top of the water.
Yeah. What?
That's it.
Van.
hold on and say that's it. This is not actual waterfall. Low level water.
That's it. That's why I think they don't show us that side of it.
It's rainy season. You can't eat too much.
So this is it. Katta did it almost.
Hey, Katta, I didn't say anything, bro. Sammy. Yeah, bro. Definitely Sammy, bro. Yeah, bro. Sammy did, bro. Hey, Katta, India, England, what happened? No life, you have stop being like Katta. What?
See, true form, bro. Arnav's true form came out, bro. Yeah, hands are black.
Hey, yours are like cooked, Gauda. I think you have to.
Bro, I might get frostbite or something.
Yeah.
We reached Paikara Lake.
It's purple.
Yeah, yours are actually good, bro. Like concerningly.
Concerningly, yeah.
Bro, my speech wasn't gone, bro. Now.
Yeah. Touch the water is gone, bro.
I'll jump off directly.
Okay, so new destination after the disappointment of the waterfalls. We've come to Paikara Lake for boating.
That's not a human, man.
No way they're chilling like that, bro.
That's not a human being.
It is.
Tiger, you see.
Because our eyes can see.
Quick bites. Come, bro.
Look at this beautiful place. Come.
Second boat, more front. Hey, don't bite your hands on me. Can I stand?
Hey, don't fall.
Don't fall. If I fall, I'm done. I'm not even trying to survive after that.
Okay.
That's bro. I am never raw dogging ever again, bro. Never again. I need what to buy like that. Exactly. Hey, just because I'm fat, don't touch me.
Why did they let me go? Why didn't they video call me and ask me to wear jacket? They could have, bro. Shit. If they wanted to, they would have. They're letting us marinate here, bro.
It's all in your head. 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 It's all in your head.
No, 20 minutes.
You don't know me, son. I only know one time.
Who's gonna carry the boat?
Who's gonna carry the boat?
At the log.
Hey, bro, slender man आ गया भाई.
Okay, the boat ride has come to an end.
You know why people are enjoying so much? Because they are well prepared. They are wearing jackets.
How was the boat ride, guys?
God, prison is better, bro.
Akshay, review.
I actually enjoyed it, bro.
Yes, YG. They'll see videos, you know, like 5 seconds ago what you were doing.
Even I'll come. Oh, photography. Photography. Yeah, this is aura.
Kitty.
Hello? Tomorrow I'll be so well prepared. Same place. It's in Strong.
Play those Kannada old retro songs.
Play, no? Hey, do aura maxing here, bro.
Oh yeah, do aura maxing here.
No. Gaadi wala hai kachra uthane.
Yeah. Where now, boys?
Room, bro. Room. This is getting in my head.
Chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Chocolate.
No. I was here. I bought more chocolate. That's just so natural. Hey, sorry, Taran, did you fall? Are you okay? You lovely. Sorry, are you okay?
His parents are gonna see this, bro. We've reached our next destination.
At last, it's a little bit tolerable.
We'll take and then.
Good job.
Ooh, we got chocolates. Gotta hold.
What do you do? Taste test?
We'll do taste test now. Sammy, come here.
Which one is this?
Butterscotch.
Put one in my mouth, no? Alright, bro. Chocolate, bro. Very mad.
Chocolate.
Proper, bro.
Very mad, bro.
That's a thing.
Slowly. My Kit Kat was better, bro.
I'm going inside, bro.
Too cold, bro.
Priorities. Bro took my stick. Bro took my tripod.
Bro, it's actually fun.
Okay, so after Chocolate Factory, we're heading to dinner.
Yeah, he's doing toxic.
They'll both
All set for the Belgium Grand Prix. So after we came back, we devoured our dinner/lunch, and now I'm gonna go take a bath, and then we're gonna watch the Belgian Grand Prix.
Knows how to defend, bro.
Yeah.
He knows how to defend.
Leclerc is good, bro.
And of course, the Ferrari's quick with a straight line.
So many times he's defended.
I just want Piastri ahead of Lando Norris, showing third position for the moment. Max Verstappen looking really confident, certainly on the middle.
Are you sure what? I literally am posting that. I am posting that. Yeah, let's go. I have 3 benches to post.
But look at his picture, bro.
Mine's worse. Mine is a screenshot of my video. Sure. Okay, wait, I'm posting, bro. I'm posting. Yeah, done.
And then God was like, hey, yeah. No need.
I'm like, bro, switch off geyser, hot water will come.
Cold ass water
And then he's like, yeah. Killa told me once that this thing happens, then like
I thought so, bro. Each hotel, some different shit will go on. Sometimes hot water will come without geyser switch. Sometimes cold water will come.
Explain how that happens.
Like in Islamabad or something.
How do you get hot water? He comes to me, he's like, bro.
NIT, I don't get hot
He
water,
comes to
bro.
me, he's like, bro, should I switch off geyser? Will the water be hot that time?
No, some mechanisms do that, bro. Like,
That's management quota in NIT. Will be supportive, bro.
we accept you, bro. Akshar, move. Oh, shit, are you okay?
yeah, pin you down, bro.
Referee, nigga. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit.
Hey, I'm gonna take this, bro.
What is he doing?
That's the wrestling match.
Paddy, come on my shoulder properly.
What scripting is this, bro?
Retake.
Give back, Akshay.
Retake. Delete.
Delete.
He doesn't know. His name is impossible, bro.
Edit, okay, you come
Okay,
back,
bro.
come on back.
Chinny bro, come.
Stay back.
Oh.
Don't give me.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. 1, 2. Oh, shit.
Bro, use less referees, they are not coming on time.
Oh, damn.
Smart, bro. He does all this karate and all, bro. He's black belt.
Cat fight this is. That doesn't count, idiot. Who is this referee, bro?
Hey, now this one.
Yeah, wait.
Doesn't even count.
What?
It counts.
No, he tapped out. He tapped out.
Bro, pizza is coming out, bro. What CPR you are giving?
Hey, something will happen.
I'll be like this only.
Suplex some secret move.
Secret move, trust.
WWE move only. 3, just act. 3, 2, 1.
Pin him.
Hey, this is some different game, bro.
Different game.
Only move.
My attitude.
Round 2. One, 2, 3. Yes.
अरे लेट्स गो स्पॉन्सर कर दिया
Bye. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Good night. Good morning, kids. We're gonna go on our trek now. Fit check. I am gonna wear a raincoat on top. Gotta give fit check. Okay, so we're taking a bus to the dam and the trek starts at the dam.
Sir, dam ko bol
Keep you posted. Okay, we've reached the starting point. Time for an outfit change.
When will do fit change?
Outfit change right now. Outfit change. Transition, bro. Oh, transition over. People spawned.
Show. No, you don't shake feet only. He's showing feet, bro.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Dude started levitating you, so.
Hello.
Sir, come sir.
Oh no. Hi. Hi. Take pictures. That thing is there now.
He's fed up of me, bro.
Give it to Akshar. Give it to Akshar. Yeah. See?
Oh, give Ratu, give it to chest. Give.
Give back if you want. Hold.
You got this. Yeah. Please.
There you go.
Yeah.
Give it to God.
I thought he'll scratch me, bro.
Take it. Yeah.
Come.
Ani, bro.
I'll lift
Try
you up.
holding him. It's cute, bro. Don't do anything, bro.
Nah, bro.
Scared of me. He wants to be on Sami only.
Give. Up to you. God, can you take it?
Yeah.
Can you hold it?
He's stolen. He's taken my tripod.
Stolen.
He's stolen my tripod.
He steals the Bihari.
Stealen.
He Biharied the tripod.
Okay.
He'll decide if your dizziness is valid or not.
Take some nice photo of the feeling.
Taran will know, no?
Ayan, what's the quote of the day?
Parsons Lake. Leaf is greener, but life is greater. Hot.
This is what we were asking. Amazing.
Okay guys, we just reached our first checkpoint. Let me show you the view.
Take one photo.
I keep my hand on me.
Pretty cheap, bro. 91 lakhs to manufacture. Digging the tunnels.
Which year? See the year. 1961. 91 lakhs in 1961.
By Mani Ratnam, director. Aravind Swamy, that final scene has been there this year only. You can see on YouTube.
Down there?
Yes, Aravind Swamy and Madhubala will meet one of the terrorists will take away the heroine. Final scene, they both of them will join together. This final scene has taken here. You can see through YouTube. Raja film final scene.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Your name?
I'm Balamurugan.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Taran, feeling too cold, buddy?
Yes, too cold. Hey, that's new drip. Now Dior is gonna copy that, bro.
Actually, Balenciaga.
Put copyrights.
Time for lunch.
Put it inside this.
Hey, do you have pocket, Karan?
This is empty.
Hey, no, I feel
This
like
is ready to eat. You have to put water or something and put it in
Who
here.
has pockets?
No one.
no one has pockets.
That's what I asked you.
Come this side, bro. This is fine. Come. Either your hand should touch or your ass should touch or knee.
Yeah, exactly. Some body part.
So we're saying 2. I'm saying 2 times this will happen.
Okay, cotton.
Why is he thinking so much, bro? This is the only time we'll touch grass. Move, Bagale.
After this, your time to ride.
Aryan is slipping first.
Hey, Aryan, you have to walk straight.
Okay, we'll put one more bet for that. Who do you think will be the first one to slip and fall? How many will fall?
2, bro.
2.
Yeah.
Okay, so me Kalla 2. Sami said 3. Taran said 4. Taran? No. How many did you say?
Taran?
What? Sami said 3. I told 3.
3 to 5, 3 to 5.
No, only 1.
One number.
We need one accurate number.
About 3.5, bro.
Yeah.
Over 3.5. Over 3.5. Over 3.5.
Okay, see. 2,
Over 3.5.
4, 3. Akshay, how many do you think will fall? Hey, definitely 3. 3. Aryan?
3.
You tell only your name.
Aryan.
What did you find, Aryan?
Pine cone.
Aryan is on his own.
I'm gonna show you our view.
First fall. It's fine. You can go.
Yeah, bro, it's not even wet. Snake hole might be here. It's not that wet. Yeah, actually. Akshar.
You guys want to see? You guys want to see?
Yes, sir.
Stop, sorry.
Snakes, bro. Hey, Gauda, you want to peep into that, sir? Think something will come.
Beautiful, beautiful place. I'm just lost at words. I don't know what to say apart from like showing you guys what I'm seeing. And it's like 10,000 times more better in person. Akshay, do you want to say hi?
Hello, boys or girls.
The lads have made some discovery here.
Okay, we found a bone.
Yeah, perfect. Oh shit.
Aesthetic photos for the bone, bro.
Bone angle, bro.
They'll go on my story, bro.
I done.
You know, the guide told right here, Asamba was killed by the tiger.
The dead tiger.
Yeah. You wanna go? Okay. Go.
What happened? Tell.
It's just slippery, okay? Yeah. Hey boys, you have to catch up here, okay? You can't be so. Yeah, Hey, you can't slow down here, bro. You have to walk.
Yeah, let's just walk.
Come, give me a hand.
Don't go like this. Yeah, sick bro, worth it bro. Ask me if there's higher something. Ooh. Oh.
That was like a proper drive.
Ian, what's the verdict? Amazing, bro. Beautiful, once in a lifetime thing.
Okay, so after a short hike,
Five
what
caps,
what are we gonna do?
5 caps. What?
What are we gonna do now?
Monster. We are opening it in the peak. Shh, will sound will come. Shh, sound. We'll shake it first and then shh. Oh, one after the other.
Open, bro.
Oh.
This Sami's was good.
I shook it.
Wow!
The 3 forbidden words are said. Litter back only. The litter.
How many did we get? 6 now.
We got 3 here.
Nice.
Show view also. Nice view. Bro. Nice view.
View. Monster, please sponsor us.
Yeah, monster.
Yeah, we got bro. We got Sidemen Pro thing. We got Monster also now. What next, bro? Zeal, bro. Zeal.
Zeal, bro.
Zeal.
Zeal next.
Even he had, but he removed.
Wait, it's here.
Come on.
I'm wearing Zeal track pants.
Oh, Zeal. Here also.
Yeah, bro. Don't litter here, okay?
Yeah, don't litter
Put
anything.
it in the where it was.
Karan's bag. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Another hike.
Bro, Kalla, record that.
Yeah, record this.
Careful. It's slipping.
But it's worth the trouble, bro.
Look there and look there.
Ooh.
Hey, boys, keep monster empty bottles.
Peak 2. I'm just gonna flip the camera.
Do some echo, bro. That makes it better, bro. The whole this thing.
See, carrying it is tougher.
Careful.
Oh, one was about to go.
Two, Sami also.
Yeah, you are very good. 59 layers.
Outfit reveal again. Outfit change again.
2-3 reveals, bro. At the end of the trip, you and Akshar will be bare chested, bro.
Hot only, bro, it is right now. That's why.
Big time, bro. The second I remove my raincoat, it starts drizzling. Okay. It's just so beautiful. I know I've told that about 5,000 times already. You've got to go on a hike. Go on a trek. Just pack your bags, go. Aryan, would you recommend this to someone?
Absolutely, it's amazing. You have to do this once in your life, otherwise you're not living, bro. Plan that friend trip, bro. Plan that friend trip to discover nature. Plan a friend group trip to discover nature, bro.
Wise words. Listen to Master Aryan.
Bro, look at this flora and fauna, bro.
Where's fauna, bro? Where is the fauna? Here?
Bro, they don't like. I can hear.
What do you see, Akshar?
The tree and branches. Very clearly, though.
All the way. Oh no, I was watching that tree, bro.
That I can see that tree with a binocular also. So I was so excited, bro.
They look tall, bro. Like,
Bro, camera doesn't look justice,
haunted.
bro.
It's so sexy. It looks like extremely haunted. Check if you can get those three twigs. My phone is charging.
It's for real, but I want to say that.
Sometimes you imagine you live in the same world, bro. Like
And then we decided to make computer science out of this.
exactly, bro. DSA they started with this, bro. Bro, just reconnect with nature, bro. So
Pottigere and this place exist in the same planet.
Same
bro.
planet.
Anekal Taluk region and this, bro. Imagine.
Oh, Adin, this picture is so nice.
Okay, mild hiatus. They are clearing the path for us.
Imagine Empire Fries here, bro.
Empire got lawsuit now.
Shut up. I'll save it, bro. We have to save. We have to go there every
Me and
day.
Gowda will hire one lawyer, bro.
That's what. Taran, you stop beating. That's why.
You know, it's hard to take it seriously.
Trust, bro. Balenciaga deals very soon.
No. I'll buy shares. Okay, we'll sell high price.
Oh, yeah.
With that money, we'll hire
Bro,
lawyer.
we'll sell those shares to Zaytoon.
Oh, there.
Right beside each other. Bro, what do you think?
What do you think about that idea?
Love it, bro.
I mean, it depends. I genuinely would not mind listening to some Radiohead here, bro.
Suicidal songs.
Facts.
For face first.
Hey, he touched that. Oh, hey, careful.
Damn, I lost.
What did he say? Careful, hold that. Akshay, left side, go from left.
You saw how I came, no? You saw how I came, no?
Careful, Akshay, there is no back. Careful, Akshay. You'll take everyone with you.
Wait.
Relax first.
Give jacket.
Give everything.
Give him
Give jacket.
No, not fully left. Full. First plant your feet there.
He only fell twice, bro. It's a scary.
Immediately.
Insane, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. It's kind of
Scary, no?
serious.
Yeah, that color.
Yeah, Taran. Aryan, you can manage, no?
Yeah.
Come.
Hey, this side is easy.
Hey,
bro.
Gowda, it's easy.
There are legit things made for
Careful. Move. Aryan, what happened to your raincoat? One more.
Tore off, bro.
Hey, hi, Akshat.
Hi, Akshay. No, wait, let's
Are you
read
fine?
civilization.
Akshay, are you fine?
I'll be careful. I'm not saying anything also.
Are you fine?
I'm chilling, bro.
Are you fine?
You got a break.
Guys, be careful.
Hey, that is easy, bro. Come on.
Duck.
Aryan.
Yeah. You need something.
Careful. Give the phone. Careful.
Because Linda's suit goes staring. Bro, I'll remove this jacket, bro.
Aryan.
Yeah.
Careful, boys.
Bro, I love these shoes. I'm ding chilling. I wish I was Katta's height.
Oval, no. Round means woman tiger. Oval means men tiger.
So it's a woman.
It's oval.
Okay.
Like egg.
Egg, okay.
Oval. Like egg means it's men tiger. Male tiger.
Oh shit.
Round, fully round means it's a female tiger.
Being active in this area.
Where do they like live? They live.
Have you seen them in this area before?
Like not there. There itself.
Where we were coming?
Where we are coming now. It's opposite side we see.
So these are like active in the night only mostly, right? Tigers.
Anytime.
Like the paw. Hey, that paw looks pretty fresh.
Aryan, you don't have to worry.
And now, look at this.
Stone was not allowing him to take a photo.
I got CC notification, bro.
Fit change again.
Might be automatic.
So beautiful.
We stop for lunch. What's our lunch, boys?
Vermicelli.
It's getting cooked.
What are we eating, bro?
Vermicelli.
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk. I packed one aloo paratha from morning. Yo! I packed one aloo paratha from morning.
Bro, what scammer?
You guys had boiled eggs. I didn't eat my breakfast.
I asked you not to eat boiled.
No, fair.
Yeah. Mr. Beast, bro. Sasta Mr. Beast. They're going to give our staff
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk.
Okay, now weather's getting a little chill.
Bro, now my hands are freezing.
Now it's like
Shivery.
Shivery. Look, he'll fall there in the water.
hey, don't bro.
Sammy, move, you're blocking.
You wanna wash your hands properly?
Oh, cold water. Bro, there'll be more diseases if you wash with that water. I don't understand. He's only telling, bro. Isn't it?
I'll tell which one to give you. Look that side. Look that side. Guess what's in yours?
Not listening. Bro, fucking my ration you are taking, bro. They're like that.
How's it?
It's actually good, bro. Not gonna lie. Genuinely good.
Yeah, done.
I have to wash it, no?
I'm having partial Gouda share.
Hey, Aryan, I wanted to be a little adventurous, okay? So I had drank a little bit of stream. It was good only. If I get TB, you know why. That's all I'm saying.
Aryan, did you wash yours?
No. We've made a system, bro. Laundry.
Ten on 10 lunch spot.
Coming.
Sure.
So fast the climate change, no?
Hey, here Radiohead music will be nice. The proper setting is that. This is like proper Radiohead. I agree, like suicidal.
Okay, you don't have to say that.
Amazing. Bro, 10 out of 10, bro. Insane. Bro, this fog is like an added effect, bro.
Yeah. This is what Travis was talking about, bro. Euphoria.
Yeah,
Utopia. This is utopia, bro. Just look back, bro, Sammy.
Bro. I'm just gonna turn and show you.
Hey, everyone take your caps, I can't put hoodie.
Oh, yeah, careful.
Take caps.
Soak it in, boys.
God knows when we'll do it next.
Until
Next year.
Until next year, we'll come up with something better.
Yes. Mount Everest. bro.
Yeah, where? Akshar, foreshadowing.
Sikkim, bro, Sikkim.
Let's go.
Mount Everest, like Sikkim, bro.
We'll go Mount Everest.
Yes.
Trust. You see, Aryan, do you think he'll go Mount Everest? Our trek is coming to an end.
I think we're trying to connect to the internet to doom scroll in Ooty, bro. No, bro, no.
Dopamine receptors are fried.
Right, bro. Hey, I survived for so long, bro. We didn't even think about Instagram and phone, no? I forgot.
Why were you taking all the videos, Aryan? To post on Insta story, no?
Yeah. No, to keep it
Yeah.
myself.
Repeat, no?
Katta would have enjoyed, bro, the trek. It would have been
What were you talking about branches, bro?
It would have been amazing only. Katta, bro, and Pappu.
Tell the branches. I genuinely.
Yeah, bro.
Tell.
Branches.
Tell.
Bro, we went into some illegal area, bro.
Don't tell the cutting part or else I'll chuck you.
Yeah, bro, basically. What we're trying to say is they had to cut branches and all, okay? So fucking if you were there, little more extra, they had to cut, bro.
Jiffy they'll take one.
Jiffy gel.
Bro, imagine we are recording and it gets killed by a tiger.
Bro, if it had stopped after that damn guard.
Boys!
Hey, let's go. Finally, bro.
After how many hours?
8 hours.
7 hours we did it.
We are not weaklings.
7 hours, no break also, bro. Full
No break. Legit no break. We didn't eat vermicelli also. We didn't sit. We just stood and while walking we ate.
None of us fell also, bro. None of us fell.
Bro, Akshar's ass looks so juicy right now. Show.
Hey, show. Nah, bro. You know, show Akshay. See, self-conscious I am so.
Okay, describe the trek in one sentence or a word.
One of the best experiences of my life.
Akshar,
I thought you said one word.
anything.
One sentence he told.
Scenic, bro.
Utopian.
Sami, describe it in a phrase or a word.
Amazing, bro. It's amazing.
Taran,
One word.
I'm not getting it. Okay. Magnificent.
yeah.
No idea.
Okay, that's it for today, guys. We're gonna go to our resort and take a bath, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Will happen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My paisa de do. Bhai please.
How much did we pay for our suite? But executive suite. Executive suite.
Look.
How much, Akshar?
25,000.
What are we doing? Definitely no space at all. 2 queen size beds and up. Up is also.
Hi Katta. What is it? Wait, first I'll take everyone solo, then I'll take group picture.
Flash, bro. Executive suite. All of us in one bed.
Definitely no space, bro.
No space, yeah.
Mom, dad, we're poor.
Okay, what? They literally paid for everything.
How much are you paying for college, bro? Hey,
Why you want to ask all that? For backlog exam.
Hey.
$1 into 1,000, bro.
More? He's cooked, bro. Why does Aryan look like one?
Good morning, day 3 itinerary. We're going to Kunnur, Fichek. Yeah, so I'll see you in Kunnur.
What are you taking?
Taran, give intro for today.
I bought red wine. It was very tasty. I drank alcohol without parents' permission.
You literally called them. Tell, where are we?
We are in Dolphin Nose. I don't know why it's called Dolphin Nose. We'll find out.
It's a viewpoint.
It's a viewpoint, yes.
We reached Dolphin Nose.
Dolphin Nose viewpoint. Yeah, viewpoint, bro. Dolphin Nose viewpoint.
Actually.
Minus like that, I don't mind. I'll give it back.
People don't mind, bro.
Aryan.
I think only.
You want to check something else? No.
No.
Pull your sleeve back.
Mine is fine.
What is
normal.
casual about this?
No. Yeah, come down. 2,
Wait.
3.
3. Oh,
Wait, bro, wait.
At least
Not
5.
sure,
I'm
not sure,
sweating,
not
I'm
sure,
sweating,
bro.
I'm sweating.
Oh, wait, sweat, nice, moist.
Yeah, moist.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, shit.
Hey. The nice streak was there. Where are we going, guys?
Everyone came to me.
He was giving me that look, bro.
Ian, where are we going next?
Train.
Train cake is
Choo choo.
Thomas. Wait, let me sit here.
This is going in the vlog, bro.
Is it good?
Ask the audience.
He was asking audience.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe.
What is he trying to seduce, bro? It's like a Tamil actor.
Yeah, what?
We reached our train station.
We'll be riding Thomas today. You know what I mean?
Are you excited? This is your first train, no?
Yeah. When I was 2 years old, I had gone first time. I don't remember.
So this technically not your first train.
Yeah.
Okay. Bada. Akshay.
Dama rice.
How's the view, bro?
Don't sleep. This person is sleeping. Look at the view and you're sleeping. Hit again. He didn't feel it. Hey, something will Sorry. Oh.
We are trying to name it. APs, bro. See, actually,
Bro, so much is that, bro. Such a nice view and you're sleeping.
Turn your first train experience. How was it?
Beautiful. The wind was hitting my non-pimple face. It's very cold.
We have fun.
Yes.
How much would you recommend it to other people?
8 out of 10.
You?
if fun bro it was. I had hopefully you guys got videos, bro. Seriously.
Sammy, how much you rated?
Hey, 7 on 10, and I'll tell you. The thing is, if I didn't go trek and I came here first, then I would rate it higher because that shit was more beautiful.
Better do this first and I was saying
You set the bar high.
Yeah, you set the bar high.
You set the
If
bar
I did
high.
this first and then that
Yeah.
would be like.
The trek is always the peak, bro. Like,
Yeah.
everything after that is like below. Like,
we're gonna walk to our dinner place now, no? Then, if possible, we'll film in Bangalore or else. Say bye, boys. Bye, bro. Adios. Goda. Say bye. We probably might not film until Bangalore. Oh damn! Multiverse of Madness. Okay, guys, we've reached the end of the vlog, Ooty vlog. Thank you for watching. I'm sure it was a long video. Yeah, I'd like to take this moment to apologize to anyone who's watching, whom I've hurt before in the past, or unknowingly I might hurt. My friends, my parents, my friends' parents, whomever is watching, I'd like to say end credits. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'm extremely sorry if I've hurt you one way or the other, knowingly or unknowingly. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. And I'm grateful you exist. You, the person watching this video, I'm grateful you exist. Take care. Bye.